How to deposit crypto into MetaMask Wallet. To deposit crypto into your MetaMask wallet, follow these streamlined steps. Depositing. Open your MetaMask wallet and copy your wallet address. Visit Binance.com and select Withdrawal. Please note, you can use any other exchange for the same procedures. Ensure you are in the Withdraw Crypto section. If you find yourself in the Withdraw Fiat section, simply navigate to the crypto option. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit, for example, USDT. Paste your copied wallet address in the designated field and select the appropriate network, such as ETH or ERC20. Input the amount you want to withdraw and click Withdraw. Receiving. Go back to Binance.com and this time, select Deposit. Confirm you are in the crypto section, not fiat. Follow a similar process. Select the coin, choose the network, and copy the wallet address. Open your MetaMask browser extension, paste the copied address, and click Send. Specify the amount you wish to send and proceed with the transaction. By following these steps, you can efficiently and securely deposit crypto into your MetaMask wallet. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to our channels for more insightful content. Happy crypto journey!